Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Codeium for MATLAB development. Codeium's AI-powered features can enhance your MATLAB programming with the smart code suggestions and completions. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new MATLAB project or open an existing one where you want to use Codeium. As you write MATLAB code, you will notice that Codeium provides real-time suggestions. These suggestions appear in a drop-down menu next to your cursor. To accept a suggestion, simply select Tab or Enter button. Codeium will insert the suggested code snippet into your MATLAB file, helping you code faster and more efficiently. Codeium can assist with various aspects of MATLAB programming such as mathematical modeling, data analysis and visualization. It offers intelligent suggestions based on MATLAB best practices and common patterns. For example, if you start typing a matrix manipulation or a plotting function, Codeium will suggest completions for functions, arguments and implementation details, making it easier to write well-structured MATLAB code. Codeium also supports MATLAB specific features like script files, functions and toolboxes. It can provide relevant code completions and recommendations for handling these features effectively. To customize Codeium's behavior for MATLAB, go to the extension settings and adjust preferences like the number of sessions shown and language-specific settings. Use Codeium's refactoring sessions to improve your MATLAB code quality. It can recommend optimizations and better coding practices to enhance the performance and readability of your code. Regularly test and review your MATLAB code to ensure it functions as expected. Codeium sessions can help you write better code, but always validate your code through testing and data validation. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Codeium for MATLAB development. This tool can boost your productivity and help you write clean and efficient MATLAB code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.